Hey guys, today is boxing time. Now this is our latest 5-in-1 hifu machine. Now I will open the box to let you guys see what will including in the package. Okay, so now there we go. We come with a very good packings. And now we take it out. Okay, this is a very strong packing, so we have no worry about the delivery. So we will see this is handle pieces. This is a supersonic handle pieces. So we take it out. It will come with two pieces. One piece is for the 13 mm size for the supersonic head, and also we come in the 8 mm for the body treatment size. This is a supersonic handles and holders for the handle pieces. Let's continue to see. And this is the main bodies of the machine. Also have another handle piece. Let's take it up one by one. Okay, so let's do what. Everything we're packing very well before we deliver the package. So this is the handles. This is the handles and the 90 hifu handle pieces. And this is vagina hifu handle pieces. And this is the micro needling handle pieces. And this is our VMAX hifu handle pieces. And this is whole set. Okay, so next is there is virginal tips for the vagina tightening. We will come with two pieces. Two pieces for vagina tips. And we come with 3.0 and 4.5. And this is the virginal. We come with two pieces as well. And also we come with the VMAX. The VMAX. Here we have three pieces for the VMAX. Three pieces. They will come with 1.0 and 4.5 and 3.0. That's for treatment on the back, treatment on the face area. You can turn it off and do it. This is a VMAX. Okay. So this is all the cartridges that will come together with the machine. And also next I will just come to see the main body of the machine. So take a look. So let's take out the machine. So this is very strong packing for the machine. And we can take it out. So this is for the machine. Let's see. Okay, so now we take the machine out from the box. And this is the little packing of the machine. The machine, they will come with 5 handle pieces. So also we just connect the holders and the sides of the machine and the back of the machine. You just connect the holder over here. Each handles, they have marks the different colors over here, so it's very easy for you to connect the machine handle pieces to it. And this is for the power key switch. So that is all parts of 5-in-1 machine, including all handle pieces, including all treatment heads for the machine. Thank you.